Alright friends, so the ingredients for the falafel are as follows. So we have 1 cup of chickpeas which were soaked last night. They are nice and soft now. We're going to grind them into a paste along with a bunch of coriander, half an onion, a few flakes of garlic. We also have to add powdered cumin, 1 teaspoon, a few peppercorns, a little bit of salt, and of course at the end we're going to just mix in roasted sesame seeds. So let's carry on and make the powder. Alright, so this is the powder: powdered pepper, powdered cumin, and the salt. At this point we're going to add the sesame seeds, give them a good mix. So we're going to cover it with foil or plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours before we fry the falafels. Alright, so we'll assemble our